Hey everyone, RJ here. Just making a very quick video about Boost Mobile and the Boost One app and how you can save quite a bit of money on your bill every month. Now, my bill is due on May the 10th. It's now May the 8th, so it's time to cash out my earnings. So getting on the Boost One app here, my earnings this month is $23.51. Now, you can, of course, watch videos, 2 cents per ad. Not a whole lot, and that's kind of time consuming, but it's worth it. You can also complete offers and spin and win, and you get an average of usually 5 cents to 50 cents most of the time per day. If you do it 7 days in a row consecutively every single day, you get 75 additional Boost coins, okay? So going over here, you'll see that my payment is $25.93 and my Boost coins are $23.51. If I push redeem now, I can just slide this over here and you'll see where it says success, dismiss, and it shows the Boost coins there going away. You got a message from Boost. So my payment dropped from $25.93 down to $2.42 is what I will pay out on May the 10th. That's not bad for 30 gigabytes of high-speed data. So there you go. I mean, I think it's well worth the money. You get a lot of data and a very high-quality network. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say about this right now. Hope this helps. Y'all have a good one, and we'll talk at you later.